Hey guys, we received this Share Sunshine wireless keyboard foldable Bluetooth for test and try. So this is a Bluetooth keyboard with a slim and small and the quite portable compact. And this is a foldable handheld full-size pocket travel folding keyboard. You can use it with the PC, laptop, computer or any other way because this is a Bluetooth that can easily be connected with the thing. So let me just open it and you can see it's a small, really nice foldable thing. And then this is the full keyboard. This is a charging cable, USB-C charging cable that comes with it, and you can charge it like from the side here. So you can charge this and it will be just used as normal Bluetooth keyboard. So the hands fits really well on it, and this is a full size layout as well. So let me just open up this. So I'm just connecting it to the iPhone for now, just to show you. So the Bluetooth thing, as you can see, it comes in like the Bluetooth stuff, and it's connected pretty nice and straightforward. No issue with that, and you can easily carry it anywhere you want. So once this is all connected, you can just use it directly with your text or any app that you want to use it with. So let me just use this notepad, and then you can see like I can type very easily. There is no issue. It's a full layout keyboard and is nice to use. As you can see, it's type nice and there's no issue. It's a iPad or any other thing you can easily use. So I don't have any issue while using this and typing very fast. And this works really fine. So hope you can see it now through my camera as a small text. But yeah, like overall, it's a really nice, ultra slim and stylish design, and the touch to your workspace, and also connected with the Android or any other things. You can fold with this magnetic thing and carry anywhere.